Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar, ZACK TABUDLO with a song called Victim. And yes, this one is very easy to play, guys. 3 different chords only. Okay, they are bar chords, but I believe you will get that once you get familiar with bar chords. It's pretty easy actually. So yeah, let's dive into this one. Like I said, 3 chords, and since it's bar chords, we don't need any capo for this because the capo is kind of built in when you use only bar chords. So that's how it works. Anyway, let's take a look at this 3 chords here. We have the C sharp sus version here. So you place a bar on the 4th fret and you bar all strings except from the last E here in the bass. So 5 strings from bottom up on the 4th fret, and then you need to add 6 on D and 6 on G. There you have your C sharp, and then we go to the A sharp minor. You bar now all strings on the 6th fret like this, and then you need to add 8 on A and 8 on D. And the final chord will be an F sharp. So again, you bar all strings now on the 2nd fret. Okay, and then you need to add 4th on A, 4th on D, and 3rd on G. So you have that path here from C sharp to A sharp to F sharp. All right, so it will be like this from the beginning till the very end. You can play and strum in 2 different ways. Okay, so one is more chilled. We're gonna play just down, clap, down, clap, down, clap, like this. Or like how I would do it in this specific song, I do the clap on the E string only with my thumb like this, cause that makes the sound ring out more from the other strings below. And since we're not working that much with downs and ups, if you just hit the clap over all strings, the sound will kill. I will kill the sound, and then yeah, it's a little bit empty and flat like this. So if you hammer on this E string like this, the sound will ring out more, right? Like this. All right, so if you choose to do that, and then you're gonna play 4 rounds for the C sus, C sharp, 3, 4, and then you go to the A sharp, 4 rounds there as well, 3, 4, and then for the F sharp you go for 8 rounds, 2, 3, 4, and 1 through 3 and 4, 8 rounds there. So that is one way of handling this song here, the chords. And the other one is more emphasized on the background strumming, so to speak, in the song. And you're gonna work a lot more than just down clap. So if we go back to the C sharp, then 1 round will be down, up, clap, up, down, up. So like this. And now the clap comes on all strings. Since you're playing lots of downs and ups, you will always hit strings, so the sound will never die. So down, up, and then clap, up, down, up. So that is 1 round. And you're gonna play the same amount of rounds as when you play the down clap only. So C sharp 4, A sharp 4, and F sharp 8, like this. So on. That is Zack's Victim. All right, so I hope you enjoy this, and until next time, play tuned.